I spoke with U.S. Surgeon General Dr. Vivek Murthy. If you come up from a test and get a positive result, what should you do? Especially, let's assume you don't have any symptoms. What should you do?
That's an important question because people can transmit the virus in some cases, even if they don't have symptoms. So if you test positive, the important thing to do is, number one, you have to isolate for a period of time. The CDC is recommending 10 days because you could spread the virus to somebody else during that time. Second thing it's important for you to do is to notify people who you've been in contact with over the last 48 hours because they may be at risk. And if they have symptoms, they should certainly get tested as well, and they need to quarantine if they were a close contact.
Do you fear that people will take that as a license to go forward with their life knowing that they are infected?
We're hoping it's a milder variant overall. But I do want people to know, though, that this is not just about our health, right? It's about the health of the people we love, the people we interact with. And so if you feel you only have mild symptoms, that's good. But we don't want you to pass on the virus to somebody else who may be vulnerable.
We're seeing some cities take measures to protect their populations from this particular variant, but nothing in the way of lockdowns. As a health professional, as someone who's committed to protecting the health of the American people, would you recommend that we self-lockdown, that we begin to change our lifestyle and dial back on all fronts?
Well, I think this is a time where it makes sense to be more vigilant about the decisions we make, about how we engage with the rest of the world. We can do the things that are most important to us. We can see family over the holidays, for example, but it requires us to be even more vigilant about using the tools we have to protect ourselves, tools that include getting vaccinated and boosted and making sure that we are wearing a mask in public indoor spaces, using testing to make our gatherings safer, and trying to gather in well-ventilated spaces whenever possible, including outdoors when that is feasible. If we do these, we can really reduce the risk that we will either get sick or transmit infection to other people.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.